The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is generating considerable anticipation, with early leaks suggesting significant advancements in its camera system. A notable enhancement is the potential reintroduction of variable aperture technology, allowing the primary 200-megapixel sensor to adjust between f/1.4 and f/4.0. This feature, reminiscent of previous flagship innovations, would offer users greater control over depth of field and low-light photography. In addition to the primary sensor, reports indicate substantial upgrades to the zoom cameras. The existing 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens may be replaced with a 50-megapixel sensor offering 3.5x optical zoom. Furthermore, the second telephoto lens could feature a 50-megapixel sensor with 8x zoom and a 184mm focal length, significantly enhancing the device's versatility in capturing distant subjects. However, some leaks suggest that the Galaxy S26 Ultra might not include dual 200-megapixel cameras due to processor limitations, instead opting for a single 200-megapixel primary camera complemented by other high-resolution sensors. Beyond camera improvements, there are indications that Samsung may reintroduce its in-house Exynos processors with the Galaxy S26 series. While the Galaxy S25 lineup utilized Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite across all models, the Exynos 2600 chipset, built on a 2nm process, could power the Galaxy S26 in select regions. That said, it's likely the Galaxy S26 Ultra will continue to feature the Snapdragon chipset globally. It's important to keep in mind that these details are based on early leaks and rumors, and the final specifications may change upon the device's official release.